Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Can you hear me? What a wild day, ladies and gentlemen. Bankers are big mad. We're going to be live here in just 9 minutes and 30 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. Hoping you read the tea leaves, the market close. Who's ready? Who's with me? Smash that like button if you're excited. We're going to be live here in just 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hotel room scale on the desk, counting every ounce I've kept. Airplane windows, dawn and dusk, dreaming about the next big chest. Desert markets, ocean ports, whispers in a hidden court, map lines, red ink, folded corners, X mark secrets in the border.
Let's go, just 8 minutes and 40 seconds here. Who's ready? Who's excited? Can we hold 75? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 8 minutes covering the market close for gold and silver. I almost said open, the close. We're going to recap all the crazy gold and silver news today, and boy, was there a ton. Helping you read the tea leaves, we're going to get together, party, have some fun. I've got updates on the mega giveaway, updates on everything. Smash that like button if you're ready and excited. And I just posted on X, so please go retweet that. Yes! 7 minutes and 30-second warning as silver's pushing. Ladies and gentlemen, they said I was crazy when silver was $13 an ounce and I was screaming from the top of the hills it would never break 20 again. Then they said it wouldn't break 30, then 40, then 50, up to 120 and back. They told me the Comex inventory levels didn't matter. They told me force majeures were impossible. They said silver was the waste of time to invest in the stock market. Look who's stacking now. Look who's laughing now. I kept pushing forward with intestinal fortitude. I am unshaken because the fundamentals have not changed. Who in chat is unshaken? Who is with me? Just 6 minutes and 30 seconds till we're live here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Lewis says he's unshaven. Whoa. Yeah, that beer train was in Prague. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, just 6 minutes and 10 seconds till we're live. Smash that like button if you're ready. Only 2 more to 100. Let's go. I love this song. If you guys listen to this music outside of the stream, put in chat right now, I listen. You can find it on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, it's everywhere. Amazon Music, it's everywhere. Even the TikTok app. You can make a TikTok dance to it. Ladies and gentlemen, just 5 minutes and 30 seconds till we're live, breaking down the gold and silver news of the day. We're going to watch the close together. What's going to happen? It's going to be a wild one. Buckle up. 5 minutes and 15 seconds till we're live. Smash that like button. Nice, Iron Man. I make sexy to this song. That is funny, Otto.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow.
Yet another, if you want the lyrics, you can email me and I can email them to you. But the website I'm working on will have them.
Chasing that mill.
Let's go.
Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore.
No, you should go to class, Egbert. Go to class. Unless we break 100, then you should skip it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds here. We're going to cover the market close, cover all the breaking news over the day. It was crazy. Just 4 minutes away. Smash the like.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright.
I'm currently sipping on some kombucha. It's wild stuff. Where are you at in the world and what are you sipping on? Let me know right now in chat.
Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high.
Nice. Colts in chat has diamond claws. He bought first thing this morning, and boy, is he laughing all the way to the bank right now.
International stacker that mill.
Let's go.
Join the quest.
That would be fun, Floyd Lawton.
You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold.
We got Pennsylvania sipping on cab with William. We got Miller Lite with Egbert boot whistle. I thought you had to go to night class. You're sipping Miller Lite before night class? Sweet tea in Georgia with David in chat. Tea in the UK with Fiddle the Figures.
So hit that sub.
Go Scrape with KTM in Nevada. Ginger tea for Casa Hout.
You're the best international stacker. Stacking.
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We're going to be live in just 2 minutes and 50 seconds here. Let's go. Steve's sipping on some Busch Light. Les is sipping on Pepsi. We got London with mint cake with Anon. Ohio is sipping on some Modelo with Jeff. St. Louis 314 with Casper. Just water in AZ, says Sean Leslie. Well, you are in a desert, Sean. Water is important. Beer in NYC with Robert.
Ocean waves where dreams collide.
We got Sunny D with James. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, who's ready? Who's excited? Let's get a crab dance going right now. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready. 500 people on the stream. Smash like button right now. 2 minute warning. 2 minute warning. Let's go. 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 Yes. Let's get it. We are live on Facebook. We are dual streaming right now on YouTube. We've got all the technology working. Who's ready for the Mega Ga?
Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Join the party night and day.
Who's here for the party?
And silver is the key.
Let's go.
Dance with me.
Let's get it.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
45 seconds till we're live here. Who's ready?
Get your claws up in the sky.
Let's go.
International stacker, he's our guy.
Let's go.
And silver
Here we go.
crustacean.
30-second warning. 30-second warning. Do you want old school intro or little kid intro? Let me know ASAP. Here we go. We've got the Bahamas in the house with Nash. Welcome, Nash.
Dance with me.
Let's go.
Dance with me. Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
international
Stacker. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Here's the situation. We are at 68,178 subscribers. That means only 22 more subscribers until the next big show. And you got to be subscribed anyway to win some of my treasure. More on that coming up soon. 2,100 videos around the world on gold and silver ventures. If you go videos latest, my last 3 videos, really the last 4 videos were all heaters. So check them out. I also put a short out yesterday right here. It shows what the streaming setup looks like. So if you're interested, if you're curious, go check that out. But what we're all really curious about is the silver price today has gone absolutely insane. Look we had a low on the trading session today, not overnight, from this morning. We had a low from this morning at 72.53. We had a high of 75.38, which was literally like 2 candles ago. And we're currently trading on a green candle of 75.27. Guys, what we want to do is we want to hold the line here at 75. Channel members, you know what emoji to drop in the chat right now. It's been a while since we've used it, but we want to hold that line right there. We want to finish above 75. Do you guys think we can do it? Silver futures is currently at 75.46, so we are in contango, not backwardation, so that's good for the market, I guess. I actually enjoy backwardation more. Our low for gold today was 4,568.10. Our high was 4,687.25. We're currently on a red candle at 4,669.04. Gold to silver ratio is at 62.05 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. And the Shanghai Futures Exchange, guys, look at this. It went as low as 81.92. It went as high as 85.45. And it closed at 85.28. So this market right here, the Comex, is going to close in just about 16 minutes here. So gold and silver will close from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. From 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That happens every single weekday. So then it will open back up at 6 p.m. And then later this evening at 9 p.m., I believe it is. They messed me up with the time change. Yeah, 9 p.m. we'll start to see Shanghai start to trade again this evening as well. But ladies and gentlemen, I took a poll at the beginning of the stream, so I'm going to end the poll. I'm going to read the results to you right now. 1 second here. And the results of the poll, I asked you, can we hold the line at $75 until market close? And that is just 15 minutes and 30 seconds away. 69% of you, whoa, 69, whoa, said hold. We can hold the line. We got this. 15% of you said bankers attack, get in your shell. 14% of you said, I'm just here for the crabs. And 2% of you said, what in the world does this even mean? So, guys, we're going to watch the market close here. I'm going to issue some alerts, but I wanted to cover a few pieces of news first. And if you don't follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, check me out on my Intl-Stacker. International would not fit. It was too long, unfortunately. But watch out for scammers, guys. All of my social media is verified now. So please, please, please watch out for scammers. They're out there and trying to get you. Okay, before I do the news, someone wants a preemptive baby gator call. We discovered this on a live stream in Boca Raton, Florida. One of our channel scientists confirmed that 90% of the time, every time, when a baby gator call is made on this channel, it can turn a red candle green or a green candle into a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thought I was going to be like Chubbs on Happy Gilmore. And just talking about the baby gator turned this red candle green. And now this green candle is definitely growing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's science.
It's science.
Okay, let's go back here. Now, I want to cover the news, but real quick, if you want to win some gold, silver, and copper, it is filling up day by day. We just added this on the morning stream. This epic slabbed MS70 copper Mexican pride coin here. Look at this. Colorized. It went in there. Some silver went in there yesterday. A bunch of stuff's gone in there. Goldbacks went in there. So we are adding to it. All you got to do is subscribe. So subscribe to all those notifications, and you'll find out how to enter soon. The mega guy is coming. So here we go. And guys, if you're on X, please retweet this last tweet talking about this stream right now. So here we go. First piece of news for the day. Singapore just announced it wants to become Asia's gold trading and vaulting hub. And it's a big geopolitical move. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, and Singapore Bullion Market Association revealed their plans to develop gold-related financial products for better price discovery and liquidity. Is that aimed at the Comex? Get stronger international standards for vaulting and logistics. Build a clearing system for large gold trades. Offering gold vault services to foreign central banks and sovereign entities. Potentially the first time ever in Asia. This is happening as global uncertainty drives central banks and investors to seek safe, neutral storage outside of Western hubs. Why this matters for geopolitics and gold and silver? It's another clear sign of eastward shift in precious metals. The power, precious metals power shifting. Countries want more control over their own gold reserves away from London and New York. This strengthens Asia's role as a physical gold hub close to major buyers in China, India, and producers in Australia. This is long-term bullish for physical demand and liquidity in gold, and by extension silver too, as more nations diversify reserves into real tangible assets. Crustacean Nation, when even stable, neutral hubs like Singapore are ramping up gold infrastructure for central banks, it shows how serious the de-dollarization reserve diversification trend has become. That's the first piece of news there. And I will answer your questions shortly. Don't put questions to me yet in chat because I'll miss them as I'm reading the news. But we'll go to answering your questions here in about 5 minutes. And guys, please smash the like button. 1,000 of you on the stream. We've only got 50 more likes to 300. I know we could do that. And the next 50 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 7 months. It's science.
It's science.
Okay, next piece of news here. Silver just broke 75. And this is why you got to follow me on X, guys. I'm breaking stuff all the time. This was at 135 earlier. Strongest move in weeks amid global energy chaos. Look at this breakout. Silver blasted through 75 today and is holding strong on the 5-minute chart as the Comex day session unfolds, up at that time 6.53%. Right now, silver is up 7.21%. Gold is up 3.51%. So I broke this down. I showed the charts. So we'll keep going on because we're going to jump more into charts here. And by the way, look at this, guys. The DXY dropped under 100. Everything's green on the Dow Jones, and look at this. Up 1,000 points on the Dow, S&P 500 up 184, NASDAQ up 786. All the oils are down, but all hovering at least around 100, so we'll keep watching that. Alert, alert. This is a big one, guys. This is a big one. Alert, India just took another big step away from London price fixing. Starting April 1st, that's tomorrow. This is not an April Fool's joke. Starting April 1st, they're ditching the LBMA for domestic spot prices and on gold and silver ETFs. From tomorrow, the SCBI is forcing Indian mutual funds and gold and silver ETFs to value their physical metal using local Indian exchange polled spot prices instead of the London LBMA benchmarks. This is a quiet but very significant shift. Countries are increasingly losing faith in Western pricing mechanisms at the LBMA and Comex and are building their own transparent domestic price discovery. China has been aggressively shifting toward its own domestic gold and silver pricing for years, ladies and gentlemen, pulling physical metal away from the LBMA benchmarks. Now, here's a question I have for you guys, and this is a bit conspiratorial, but I want your feedback on this. Now, India is following the same path, with SEBI having already banned Jane Street from their markets last year. Jane Street is currently the largest holder of iShares Silver Trust in the SLV, okay? And remember, SEBI banned them from their market already for manipulation in another commodity. So could this latest move be designed to cut them out of their markets completely? Is this shifting just to completely cut out Jane Street and say you're not going to affect us anymore? I don't know. What do you guys think? One thing is for sure, more control at home equals less reliance on paper markets overseas. There's the full article there if you want to go read that. And here's another one. Silver ripping higher. Is it time for a Comex glitch? Guys, do you think there's going to be a Comex glitch? Put glitch in chat if you think so. And just another disguise says, dude, bro, party on the true physical metal train. Nice. Nice. Thank you for that, just another. Put glitch in chat if you think there's going to be a glitch. Here's the next piece of news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not normal. Comex silver vaults are draining at a historic pace. Look at these verified numbers. 1 year ago, registered silver was at 115 million ounces. Today, registered sitting at 76 million ounces. That's a 34.4% collapse in deliverable silver in just 12 months. Even worse, inside 2026, since January 1st, registered silver lost nearly 30 to 35% of its stocks. Eligible silver, that's the private owner held metal, has also seen heavy outflows as holders pull their bars out of the system entirely. This is not typical paper trading noise. When both registered and eligible drop hard and fast at the same time, it signals eroding confidence in the Comex storage and real physical tightness. Normalcy bias here is a dangerous thing, ladies and gentlemen. People see March cleared and think everything is fine, but the vaults have been bleeding for over a year and the pace is accelerating. This is what a slow motion physical squeeze looks like. Crustacean Nation, Comex registered down 34% in a year and it's still accelerating. Are we watching the paper system finally break under the weight of real demand? There's an article, you can read more on that. And here's the lug talking about counterfeits. Here's the lug talking about 90%. Those are some clips you can go check out. Here's the next piece of move here that I think is pretty important. Breaking, buying gold in China from the construction bank is now a lottery. Are you feeling lucky? So here it is here. This is from Bay. I follow him. He's on the ground in China. And he says, China Construction Bank implements a lottery system for physical gold delivery. If there is inventory, please participate in the lottery. The selected ones can be arranged for withdrawal. ICBC executed a mortgage loan for accumulated gold. Supply is heading towards depletion. So this is in China. And if we could read Chinese, this would basically say, it's a lottery. You got to enter to win. If you're lucky, we'll let you know. Ladies and gentlemen, all this while people are telling you, what shortage? There's no shortage. There's plenty of gold and silver everywhere. Here's a warning if you're invested in crypto. Stay up on the quantum computing issue that's going to be coming down the road. The impact on crypto security could be catastrophic. So I know a lot of cryptos have started to upgrade for this inevitability, but there's a bunch of Bitcoin wallets out there that are evidently susceptible to this. So if you're into cryptos, which there's a bunch of gold and silver people into cryptos and vice versa, because we all want the same thing. We all don't trust the U.S. paper dollar or any paper currency. We all want to seek to an alternative asset to protect ourselves. But I believe that's done with physical metals, gold and silver. That's been around for thousands of years. Thousands of years. Thousands, never gone to zero. So anyways, if you're into cryptos, watch that. And here's the last piece of news before we go back to the charts. Are you still stacking? Charles is. Look at this. Charles Vance. I added a couple new pieces, a 3-ounce rocket to the moon and a 2-ounce winged cross. And guys, I do have merch. Look, he's got the Crustacean Nation mug. All you got to do is put exclamation point gear in chat, just like that, and it gives you the link. So I think we're going to go back to the charts, but in honor of this poured silver piece, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a trip to the moon.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
Now, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are in just the last 5 minutes, 4 minutes and 45 seconds left. What is going to happen? We are currently on a green candle for silver, $75.18. Again, the day trading session high just for today was $75.38, and that was 5, 10, 15, 20. That was about 3 minutes ago, something like that. Can we push higher and make a new daily high? Are they going to crash us below 75? I need you guys right now to tell me, what do you think is going to happen? We are officially in our last candle. This right here is our last candle. Are we going to finish above or below 75? Put in chat right now what you think, above or below 75. The volume is extremely thin, so we could have some explosive moves here. And just the last, 56, 4 minutes. 4 minutes away from the market close here. Let's check the futures price. 75.44. So it's there. So we're in contango. Let's check the gold price, 4,668.20. I guess with that, let's try to stay above 4,665. That will be our line in the sand here for gold. I need everybody to hold the line. We've got literally just 2 minutes. No, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes and 30 seconds till the market closes here. And 𝗜𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗏 saying it's going to finish above. Silver Soldier is saying, did you get your crab from Spartan Gold? No, I did not. I got this crab. SGT Stacking made this crab for me. This crab and this crab, someone on YouTube made for me. Cactus Jack and Aloha Stacker made this crab for me. And ladies and gentlemen, we are in a green candle here, 75.17, pushing higher. It appears the baby gator has possibly worked. And ladies and gentlemen, I live stream all around the world, not just gold and silver charts, but actual gold and silver adventures. And you tell me what to do.
Take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshism here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
We have a good time around the world, but we also have a good time here on the charts. And we are talking just 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. How high or low are we going to go? How low or high are we going to go, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, yeah, and Ida Hearing is in chat, and she has an appreciation giveaway. That was just posted by KTM, you guys. So it's a massive giveaway she's doing for free. This is her channel here, so make sure to go there. And I think it's scheduled here. So I'll drop the link in chat for this so you guys can enter her giveaway. No strings attached. Ladies and gentlemen, 2-minute warning till market close. 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. I'm going to drop that in chat. I know you guys love to win free gold, silver. Okay. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. A minute and a half left. We're on a green candle. I think we're going to hold the line here. I think we're going to hold the line here. I think we're going to be able to do it. Channel members, you know what emoji to drop in chat right now. We got to hold the line. You know what to do. And as a matter of fact, I'm going in right now, guys. I'm going in right now.
Dudley Smith, a fallen hard with one arm. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
The attack is on. They just attacked us. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a minute and 4 seconds left. They just attacked that green candle, made it red, but now it's green again. Hold on to your seats, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a wild finish right here. We are literally fighting. All the gold and silver stackers, hoarders, numismatists, collectors are literally fighting alongside our brethren from Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bets, holding the line against the big bankers. And literally 40 seconds left as this market is closing on a green candle, 75.14. Can we hold it? There's just 30 seconds left. I'm upgrading this to a danger zone alert. $20 seconds remain here. Can we hold the bankers off? Keep holding the line. Here we go. 15 seconds left. We're about to have the closeout of the entire month. 10 seconds left in this last day of March Madness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The market is closed, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. What an epic day, $75.14. Silver finishes up 7.15% on the day. Gold finishes on a green candle too, is staying above that line that we wanted. It kissed it. Look at this. It kissed it and cracked it, but it finished on a green candle at 4,667.88. Gold to silver ratio closed and finished at 62.06. Now, in exactly 1 hour, these charts are going to start moving again, and that is the official trading session for tomorrow. 1 second, I need some water. There we go. That's the official trading session for tomorrow, okay? So in 1 hour from now, the official trading session for tomorrow starts. It's going to go all night until tomorrow. I'm going to be back live at 7:45 a.m. to cover the open tomorrow. So just keep in mind, if you want to see spot price moving, you're going to have to wait about 1 hour and a few minutes. Sometimes it lags. But the big indicator tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the big kahuna, the big Bahama Mama is going to be this. Shanghai Futures Exchange, it doesn't start here until 9 p.m. 9 p.m. So that is, oh, I got it nearly on there. 2100. So here's the question for you guys. At 2100, is it going to be red or is it going to be green? Is it going to gap up or gap down? I think it's, if everything stays the same and unless we have a massive attack between now and then, I do think we're certainly going to gap up. That is my prediction. However, if silver gets the smacky McSmackerson between now and then, the DXY starts to shift back up, we could see a gap down. But my prediction at this time with all the indicators is a gap up. Who's with me? Okay, let's go back here to X, previously known as Twitter, and see what you guys are saying to me. And please smash that like button, guys. We got 1,500 people in the stream, but 347 likes. 53 more likes to 400. I know we can do it, and it helps the channel so much, so thank you. And Dan here saying, very cool. Let the free market pricing reign. Blue Shadow saying, you have things backwards to this person. It's not the stackers that are playing stupid games. Someone else is. And sooner or later, someone will win stupid prices. Oh, I love that, Blue Shadow. That is a killer response there. And somebody in chat just said, who is this? GW, G Wits in chat says, when looking at AppMix or other resellers, why does their price differ so much compared to this chart? Every bullion dealer's spot price runs high. Every single one. Look, AppMix, SD Bullion. Let's do Provident. They all run higher. So this one says, okay, so the actual spot price we closed at 75.14. Okay. AppMix says 75.88. SD says 75.87. And Providence says 75.87. Let's look at the futures price. So that is what, 40 cents above the futures price. So they're benchmarking at something else, what I'm not sure. So they always run higher. I think it's a form. I think it's kind of a way to protect themselves or something. I don't know exactly, but I do know all the bullion dealers run hot. They will run higher than what the actual spot price is. I think it's some sort of futures market that they peg their spot price to that's more forgiving, let's say, more forgiving. Jonathan saying crab walk sideways. I hope it crab walks sideways this evening when it opens up. Why? I would love to consolidate here in the mid 70s. 2, that will give us an explosive gap up here on the Shanghai Futures Exchange when that opens. And 3, the longer we can spend in the 70s and 80s, the longer we stay at these levels, the better bases, the better foundations we build for our next higher highs. Again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Jonathan here saying it's like buying a used car. The dealer can sell it for anything he wants. That is true, Jonathan. But why do you wait? Bot, why you do me wrong? Stole 60,000. Oh, so sorry to hear it, guys. AG Astronaut just got hit for 60,000 claws. Sorry to hear that. What? Oh, okay. Let's check the month-end candle. I'm pretty sure it's red. It got close though, guys. Yeah, they got us on the monthly candle. But look at this. The baby gator definitely took a chomp out of that. It was down here. So we did finish on a red candle. That's the first red candle on silver in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the last 11 months, we just had our first green candle. But look at that. That is not scary at all. Again, the baby gator took a bite. So let's go back here to the weekly. We did turn green. There's the weekly chart. We did turn green there. Let's go back here to the daily. Let's see what the daily looks. Here's the daily chart. Look at that BGC on the daily. And then let's go take a look at gold monthly chart. Let me just do this real quick. Okay. Okay, let me save that. Okay. Going to gold. Look at that, guys. That's a reverse DTB. Dare I say it? It looks like a shark's fin. It looks like a shark's fin, a reverse DTB for sure. But let's zoom out here. And whoa, nice. OC Stacker just picked up 20 ounces of silver at $70 a pop. Good job on that. Wow. Looks like they did not update their prices. Okay, so here's the monthly chart for gold. And this again is a red candle, but a giant gator, baby gator chomp out of it. So this is the first red candle in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the last 8 months. Look at that. Okay, let's check the weekly. Weekly, we got a bigger green candle. Let's check the daily. Nice BGC there. Let's go back here. So guys, just remember, when in doubt, zoom out. Again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs, but none of the fundamentals have changed, including the fundamental of winning free gold, silver, and copper. Guys, I have so much silver. I have over 30 ounces of premium silver in here. I'm talking this. I'm talking germanium mint rune. I'm talking Valcambi bar. I'm talking about like all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Look at this. Valcambi, that's 100 grams. Look, we got some germanium mint gold. And we are literally adding more and more stuff to this every single day. We're going to give this all away when I hit 100,000 subscribers. It's a 100,000 giveaway. Don't panic. AI says we're only 1 to 2 months away from that. But if silver price really starts moving, we could do it in probably 2 weeks. So get ready for the Mega Ga. Who's won on my channel before? Put winner in chat. See if you guys are tweeting anything at me. Look at this guy, Zombie Killer. He got 5 eagles this morning. Already happy with the order. Congratulations. Congratulations. He got 5 eagles this morning. Guys, you want to hear something crazy? When I first started stacking, it wasn't that long ago. What, 2015 or whatever it was? 14, 15. I could get an entire tube of American Silver Eagles for like $386. Crazy. And I'm going to say something we all say all the time. I wish I stacked more. But congratulations, Zombie Killer. That's awesome. Let's put that out. Are you still stacking? Zombie Killer is. Let's go here. Good, good, good. Awesome, awesome job, Zombie. Throw some dong in the Mega God. There is dong in the Mega God, West Texas. There is a little piece of dong in there. Hi-ho Silverway, let's go, says Herbal Awareness. Thank you. Colt says, afternoon, close with IS. Thank you. Blue Shadow saying, join the stream. Sicilian saying, live right now. Angry Angel crying about something. Scott saying, as a retired professional investment advisor, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, Scott. I really appreciate that. Okay, I think we're caught up. Oh, look, this is Rick in response to 90% melting saying, they're going to be rare one day because a lot of them are being melted down. Talk to a guy at a flea market. They are currently melting down thousands of them a week. Yeah, guys, a lot of 90% silver is being melted down right now as we speak. So the longer you hold your stuff, the rarer it becomes. See here, these ratios are not unprecedented on the Comex. Okay. Okay, I think we're caught up there. Let's go here. Guys, the question of the day, do you want to do a crab raid? Do you want to do a crab raid? I think that could be fun. Who does not know what a crab raid is? That's the question. Oh, look at this. Guys, Nick Molnar is live, and he is a crustacean. He's got how many people watching? He's got 15 people watching now. Yeah, we're going to crab raid him. We are going to crab raid him. Let me set it up. And guys, a crab raid is not malicious. It's meant to help. I like to help smaller creators. It helps the algorithm find them and get on them side. So what we'll do is I'll redirect us there. And all you got to do is flood the chat with crabs. You flood the chat with crabs, and then you like the stream. It's up to you if you want to subscribe. He is a loyal crustacean, so I encourage you to. But we're going to flood it and like it, and we're going to have a good time. And guys, I'm going to be live again 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Do not miss that. Thank you so much for staying with me right now. We're going to go crab raid. I'm going to end the stream. It should automatically take you there if you've never done it. Let's go. Enjoy it. And guess what? Many of you have won free silver and some even free gold doing crab raids. So I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you so much. CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. Let's go raid this crustacean.